Nepal, a landlocked country nestled in the heart of the Himalayas, is a place of breathtaking beauty and rich cultural heritage. With its towering peaks, lush valleys, and ancient temples, Nepal is a destination that captivates the imagination of travelers from around the world. The capital city of Kathmandu is a bustling metropolis that blends the old with the new. Narrow streets wind through the city, lined with colorful shops selling everything from spices to handcrafted souvenirs. The scent of incense fills the air as worshippers make their way to the many temples and shrines that dot the city. Outside of Kathmandu, the landscape changes dramatically. The towering peaks of the Himalayas dominate the horizon, their snow-capped summits reaching towards the sky. Trekking through the mountains is a popular activity for visitors to Nepal, offering a chance to experience the natural beauty of the region up close. But Nepal is not just about its natural beauty. The country is also home to a rich cultural heritage that dates back thousands of years. The ancient city of Bhaktapur, with its well-preserved temples and palaces, is a testament to Nepal's long and storied history. Despite its natural beauty and cultural heritage, Nepal faces many challenges. The country is one of the poorest in the world, with high levels of poverty and limited access to basic services such as healthcare and education. Political instability and natural disasters, such as the devastating earthquake in 2015, have further compounded these challenges. But despite these difficulties, the people of Nepal remain resilient and hopeful. Their warmth and hospitality are legendary, and visitors to the country are often struck by the kindness and generosity of the Nepalese people. In the end, Nepal is a country of contrasts, a place where ancient traditions meet modern challenges, where natural beauty coexists with human struggle. It is a place that leaves a lasting impression on all who visit, a place that captures the heart and soul of those who dare to explore its wonders.